Hi there, now I will show you how to disable the startup program in Windows 10 to speed up computer opening. Startup program means when you on your computer these programs are starting without opening by you. You can do these two ways. First, go to your search box here and search here typing run. Then write here msconfig then enter. From this menu click on Startup. Here says Open Task Manager, click. Task Manager is open. Here shows all startup program list. Click on the program which we want to disable startup running and click Disable. Here shows the status of these programs, is enabling or disable. Alright. Second way. Right-click mouse pointer on your taskbar. Then click on Task Manager. From this menu click on Startup and disable your program same way. Thank you for watching.